This video isn't about the obvious gear that you have to have. These are the accessories we never expected to love, but now won't dive without them. Welcome back to Generations Below. We're a father-son dive team. We're not instructors, we're not pros, just everyday divers sharing tips, tricks, and gear reviews. A lot of these started as impulse buys, or some were hacks, some were splurges, but now they live in the bag every single dive. All right, number one, the Ocean Reef Neptune 3 full face mask. What can I say? I absolutely love this thing. I can breathe through my nose. My face stays completely dry. I can mount cameras and lights to it. It's got a ton of mounting options. You can breathe super easy through this thing. Absolutely love it. I want to dive with it all the time. Oh, and you look freaking awesome when you're wearing it too. Number two, strap-on scuba pockets. These started as a cheap alternative to wetsuits that already have pockets built onto them, or the tech shorts. I found whenever we started diving full face mask, you gotta have a place to keep your backup mask, and those shorts can get really expensive. You can get these things on Amazon for like 30 bucks. Once they're on, they're not coming off. We think they're better than the alternative. I think I would rather have these that I can strap onto any wetsuit than to have different wetsuits with different pockets. I think these are absolutely great. You can carry a ton of stuff in them, and I'll tell you something else. You can access them because they're right here on your hips way easier than you can pockets that are on your BCD or hip mounted pockets. These are super easy. Number three, the hooded vest. This was definitely an impulse buy. We got these in Key Largo right before I dove Spiegel Grove for the first time, and now I don't dive without this thing. They're super thin. I think it's like 2 mil, super duper thin. But the added thermal protection that you get by wearing this hood, it keeps you a lot warmer if you're doing longer dives in moderate temps. I just put this thing on underneath my wetsuit, pull the hood over, and I'm good to go. Here's a bonus for me with this thing. My mask strap sits right here on my ears, and it'll make me chafe a little bit right there, especially if I'm doing 2 or possibly 3 dives a day. Because this covers my ears, no longer have that problem. All right, number 4, this one isn't a secret. I absolutely love my Lafitte P1 DPV. We use this thing all the time. Other than just being fun to ride around on, you conserve air, you can stay down longer because of that, and you know this if you watch any of my videos, this thing with this quick mount rail on the top makes the best camera platform that we have found. We're going to St. Croix in about 3 weeks. We're definitely gonna fly with these on the plane so that we can do a bunch of shore diving and not have to worry about getting all tired whenever we're doing our swim outs. Number 5, the dive panties or compression shorts. No one wants to see you changing out of your wetsuit on a dive boat when you're going commando. And swimsuits always, we found that they like bunch up inside your wetsuit, so naturally we gravitated towards compression shorts. Bonus tip, the brighter and more obnoxiously colored they are, the better. And now all of YouTube has seen my underwear. Your dive kit's gonna evolve, ours definitely has. Try stuff, get weird, have fun, be comfortable. Some of the best gear decisions we've made started out as afterthoughts or impulse buys. I wanna know what you take on every dive that surprised you. Drop it in the comments, we'll try it out. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section as well. I might just make a video addressing it. If this helped, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because next up I'm hitting part 2 of this list with the next 5 accessories that we never leave behind. If you're new to the channel, here's something awesome. We hide real treasure underwater. We call it The Hunt. Find one of our coins and win actual high-end dive gear from brands that we trust. You can check out those treasure drops and the clues on where to find the coins right here on the channel. The hunt is on.